Okay, bro, Matt, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. I have this capacitor that was installed in your amp connected to my Sencore LC101, and because I was still getting some excessive high current on that rear 6550 socket, so I tested that, of course, cap on with my fluke, and it was higher than it should be. And let's look at it on the Sencore, and it's too high, so that cap has to be replaced. Looks like, I'm not familiar with this particular brand of cap here that this person put in, but it might be like the other caps, the multi caps that they put in, a cheap brand. So anyway, I'm going to be installing these orange drop caps in place of these. So I'll take all that stuff out of there and put the right parts in there for you. All right, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.